Okay, so the verse is from Matthew 22, 37 and 38, and it says, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength." Why do you think the author in Matthew put heart, soul, mind, and strength?
So whatever you do,
Okay, whatever you do.
like everything is just like.
Yes, he basically covered everything. Is there anything else left without your mind, heart, soul, and strength? There's nothing left. Okay? So, when we talk about that, loving God with everything that we are, you know what? It's actually impossible for us to love God with all that we are without His help. Isn't that crazy? And so, God, I ask that you would help me to love you with all of my heart, soul, mind, and strength. And so, just depending on Him to change your heart's desire for Him. So, let me pray that over y'all today. Father, we love you, and we do long to love you with everything that we are. I pray that these students, God, that you would give them a deeper hunger for you and your name and your word and your love. And God, I just ask that you would work in their hearts so that they do love you with everything that they are. In your name I pray. Amen. All right, guys. I am hoping we are going to get done early today because they are pretty light, especially the first one. Okay? So the first one is 21, so everybody write that on the top right corner. And it's on divisibility.
I remember this time.
Do ya? Write this on your paper.
Digits. Last digit.
We have 2 tests today. I'm just kidding. It's just what it's called. Last digits test and sum of digits test. And we're only going to cover 5 numbers today. Okay? Can you see? Not very good. Okay. Then we'll go back in it. Okay. On this one, write down numbers 2, 5, and 10. In this one, write 3 and 9. And I'm going to explain what I mean.
I didn't even write it down.
Okay. Everybody good? All right, so let's look at this side first, okay? Now, yes. Can you go get a pickle? Yes, you may. All right. Basically what we're trying to decide is a number divisible by another number? And the way you can do that, you can actually use this test, these 2 different tests to see, is this number divisible by 2? And what I mean by that is, will this number go into this evenly? Or are we going to have remainders, okay? And so we're trying to figure out which ones will go into it evenly or balanced, as I have to say to my Eli, because he's like, even, odd, is that what you're talking about? I'm like, no, evenly, like it goes in without having remainders, okay? So, will 2 go into this number? What I'm saying is, will 2 go into this number evenly without having any remainders? That's basically what I'm asking, if it's divisible by, okay? So, there's a test that I can do to find out. If it is divisible by 2, then the last digit will be even.
Isn't it if it's just a even number and then that's an even number?
Yes, but
Will
usually,
anything go through that?
yes, but the last digit determines if a number is even or odd. So yes, what you're saying is true. Okay? The last digit will be even, okay? Which basically determines if it's an even or an odd number. The very last digit tells us that. Yes.
I think I would know what it'd be for 10.
What would it be?
The last digit would be 0.
Yes, that is one of them. Oh, you talking about for 5?
Or 10.
10, yes, you are right. Okay, so let's look at this one. Will 2 go into this? Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because 0 is an even number. Very good. Okay, now 5. If it is divisible by 5, then the last digit will be 0 or 5. If this number right here is divisible by 5, then the last digit will be a 0 or a 5. Is the last digit a 0 or a 5? Yes, it is. So is that number divisible by 5? Yeah. 10. Nicholas was right. It is if the last digit is 0. 0. Okay, so Isaac's table, take this number and divide it by 2. Y'all's table, divide it by 5. Y'all's table, divide it by 10. And y'all can pick which one you want to do.
It's 5. Let's do 10. I'm gonna do 2.
There you go. All three of y'all do something different.
I'll do 5.
I do 2. I said 2. Dividing each number.
This number divided by 2, y'all's group. Y'all's group, this number divided by 5. This group, this number divided by 10. Yes. You got to keep going. You're doing this big number divided by 5.
The whole number.
The whole shebang. Yes.
For the 5, you want me to answer?
Yep, you can.
I have it for 5.
You got it? Tell me what the answer would have been.
1,558.
Yeah.
1,558.
Yes.
And it came out evenly. No remainders. Good job. You got the other one? Okay, let them keep working. Isaac's group, do y'all have one yet?
Nope.
An answer? Nope.
Mine came out evenly, but it doesn't.
Which one did you do? Nope, it doesn't have to. If this digit ends with a 0, then it is
With
divisible by
5, is it 500?
That means the answer. That doesn't mean the answer.
Got it.
Alright.
39.45 for 2.
39. 3,945. Is that what y'all got?
I got
No remainders?
no remainders.
Good job. And
I got 789.
789.
That's what I got.
You're exactly right. Okay. Everybody sees how it works? Did y'all get the same answer? Okay, good job. All right, now, let's do this one. If a number is divisible by 3, then the sum, as you can see, the sum of the digits will be divisible by 3. Will be divisible by 3. What does that mean? What am I supposed to do? The sum of the digits. Digits. Woo! Yes.
You add all of them.
Okay, let's add them up. 7 plus 8, 15, plus 9, 24. Right? Am I right? 9, 8, 17, 24. So the sum of these are 24. Will 3 go into 24? Guess what? Then this number is divisible by 3. Good job. Okay? Now, if, yes?
Blessing.
Bless me. Thank you. Okay? If the 9, will 9 go into this evenly? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Same thing up here, sum of the digits divisible by 9. Will 9 go into 24?
No.
9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27. Nope, we missed it. So, will this number be divided by 9 evenly? Nope, it's not divisible by 9. Okay, so I just made up this number randomly before I got up here, okay? And so it happened to be a good number to choose from because it went with this, it went with that, it went with that, and it went with that. But it is not divisible by 9 because 9, the sum of the digits, 24, will not be divided by 9. So 9 will not go into this evenly. It's not divisible by 9. Everybody understand? Okay, this group, try that number divided by 3. And then everybody else try this number.
I already did it.
Go into this. What does
did
it
it.
come up with?
876 and 2/3.
Yeah, see, there was a remainder. Okay? There was something left because it doesn't go in evenly. It's not divisible by it. Okay? So this group's doing my 3. Yes.
2,630.
2,630. So it does work evenly. It is divisible by 3. Good job, guys. All right. That was the lesson on that part. Let me go in and run one more thing. All right. So here's what it says. Which of the numbers 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10 are factors of 135? What am I going to do? Yes. How do I know if this is a factor of that? So basically I'm saying what times what equals 135, but we're still using the same methods that we were a while ago. Okay? So will 2 divide into 135?
No.
No, why not?
Because 5 is an odd number.
The end of it isn't even.
Because the end is not an even. This is not an even number. So that one does not work. Okay? 3, is it a factor of 135?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Because how do I do what 3 is?
You add them all up.
I add the sum of these. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. Will 3 go into 9?
Yes.
Yes. So we know that 3 is one of the factors. 3 times something, we don't know what because we haven't done the problem. Okay? All right, will 5 work?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Because the end is 5.
Because the end is 5. Very good. Will 9 work?
Yes.
Yes, because the sum is a 9 and 9 will go into 9 one time. It does work. 10.
No.
Nope, has to end in 0. Does it end in 0?
No.
Okay, there you go. 3, 5, and 9 are factors of
All the odd
135.
What is that one?
Those would happen to be, yeah. Good job, guys. All right, that's lesson 21.